Every business depends on accurate financial reporting, but creating reports manually takes time, increases errors, and delays critical business decisions. Introducing the complete financial reporting solution for Odoo. Generate all your accounting reports from one intelligent and dynamic platform. Generate your most important financial reports instantly, including general ledger, trial balance, profit and loss, and balance sheet, all from one powerful Odoo solution.
Monitor cash flow, partner balances, aged receivables, journal entries, tax reports, and dynamic financial analytics with powerful filters and real-time insights.
Turn complex financial data into meaningful insights with interactive dashboards, live KPI monitoring, and beautifully animated charts.
Analyze revenue, expenses, cash flow, and profitability. Powerful filters instantly update every report. Make faster, more informed financial decisions.
Export any financial report instantly to professional PDF or Excel formats with just one click.
Print beautifully formatted financial statements with your company branding and share accurate reports with your finance team and stakeholders. Automate your financial reporting with Odoo Cron. Schedule reports once and automatically deliver professional financial reports to one or multiple recipients, right on time, every time. Reduce manual work, improve reporting accuracy, and empower your finance team with real-time financial visibility that supports faster and smarter business decisions. Transform your accounting with powerful financial reporting in Odoo. Generate insightful reports, automate delivery, and make confident business decisions, all
All from one complete solution.